It's hearty, it's filling. There's so many different ways that you can eat it. Oh my gosh, everybody loves it. This is my chili recipe for you and your family. Enjoy it like we do when I make it in this crock pot. I cannot wait to share with you guys. Let's get into it.
Problems in your life and you need advice. All you gotta do is ask Chantel.
Hi guys,
Hi guys.
my name is Chantel from askchauntel.com, and these are my two girls. What's your name?
That's Nina.
And what's your name?
And my name is Eden from God from Daddy.
I'm a Christian mom and wife and a relationship, life, and business coach, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives, healthy families, and meaningful businesses and brands. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you love the video. So if you're into easy family recipes, then stay tuned for more. So this is really cool. I love to make my own kidney beans. It really makes it taste that much better, and it's just that much more healthy for you and your fam bam. This is a pound of red kidney beans that I used. I also have made this with black beans. The cool thing about chili is you can just throw in whatever you have. So I put too much water, and so you see me taking out some of the broth, which you could totally use for more other recipes if you want to freeze it or put it in the refrigerator. And so after I was done doing that, I added in my bell peppers, and I had on hand the orange one, so it has kind of a sweeter taste. Okay, so we added tomato sauce and diced tomatoes and an onion. I would like to add, oh yeah, lary seasoning salt. I'm going to show you guys as I put in all the seasonings. The seasonings really make the difference for this chili. So freshly ground black pepper if you have it. I just got the fine ground black pepper that I had. Granulated onion. Yes, that onion powder makes a difference. Garlic powder. And if you like to dice up your own garlic cloves, you can totally do that, but I actually did add in minced garlic, and you'll see me do that later on. And I also added in some other things that I'll show you guys throughout the video. But I just wanted to mention that you don't really need a tomato sauce. Ended up making it a little too soupy, and I kind of like mine thick, so just keep that in mind. I've made it all different kinds of ways, so this is just food for thought. The onions make a huge difference, so if I were to do this again, I'd settle with just the diced tomatoes. That would have been totally fine. I did not need to add the tomato sauce on top of it. So just keep that in mind. I really love the green and red bell peppers, so if I had those, I would have used them. So just keep that in mind. You know, you can change up your bell pepper for different types of flavor, but different bell peppers are healthy for different reasons for your body, so it's good to just try out different kinds sometimes. And then of course we add in our meat. And if you're vegetarian, you don't have to add in this part, but I love my ground turkey. You can also add ground beef, so we added ground turkey here. And then on top of everything, you'll see me just sprinkle the seasoning, so I'll let you guys watch me do that. And I'm definitely going to list all these on askchauntel.com, so check the link in the description box to get the full recipe. So we added in black pepper, and now we're adding in the oregano, and I really just eyeball this, you guys, but you know, it's to your taste. And then I add in the onion powder here. Now I'm adding in my garlic powder. Make sure it's garlic powder, not garlic salt, because it'll just add more salt, and you don't need that. Cumin, oh my gosh, it's a game changer, but it's very strong, so make sure that you're careful with it. Now, let me be honest with you about this chili powder. I normally get a huge one, but you know, everything going on in the world, quarantine, it was hard to find chili powder. So I was trying to like conserve it right here, but honestly, by the end of all this, I had dumped that entire little McCormick chili powder in here. Okay, the whole thing. That's what it required to really get that chili flavor. This is a 6-quart CROCKPOT, and so I needed all of that chili powder to really bring in that flavor that we were looking for. Now, I love spice, and so the one thing that I don't add here that I totally add to my own bowl is some cayenne. Oh my gosh. But yeah, that the girls can't handle that. Okay, so we add in some regular salt in addition to the lary seasoning salt that you guys saw right here. I like both kinds of salts. I feel like the white salt adds in just a little bit of richness. Now, I love the oil because there's something about fat that really makes food taste good, and since I didn't have the beef and I did the turkey, it's more lean, so I just add in a cap full of canola oil to really bring in that fullness. So this was after 8 hours. I noticed it was kind of soupy, and you know, if you like chili soup, that's cool, but I like mine to be thick, like you guys saw at the beginning. So I went ahead and I was very patient and I scooped this out. It was a painstaking process, but it was worth it because we ate this chili for the whole week and it was delicious. And if I had a mini like a freezer, I would have just frozen some, but yeah, we enjoyed it. So if you're busy at home breastfeeding, pregnant, this is a really great recipe because you just put it in there, don't think about it, let it cook all day, and you have deliciousness at the end of it all. I definitely put this back after I scooped that out because I wanted more richness. I wanted more chili richness. And since I hadn't added enough chili at the beginning and I added it again at the end, I was like, let me go ahead and just put this in. And I put it in for another couple of hours because honestly, you cannot cook chili for too long. So it was a total of 10 hours and it was really good. Like I said, I would have preferred the like red and green bell peppers as opposed to the orange ones, but this is the one I had and I was just kind of trying it out, and this is how life goes sometimes. You just get what you have to get, what's available to you. You gotta work with what you got. So this was really the best, the bomb ziggity. What I added was some rice to mine, and I also love to eat it with like chips for like a nacho. Add a little cheese, add a little sour cream, and voila, you've got a variation of deliciousness for a whole week if you time it right. And I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do create this recipe, please let me know. Hit me up, tag me at askchauntel, and I love you guys so much. And if you liked it and you want to see more like this, please definitely let me know. What's your favorite home cooked hearty meal? Leave that for us in the comment section below. Hugs and kisses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.